Where is my spare tire on my Dodge Ram? And the spare tires, of course, located underneath the vehicle on these trucks. You are going to need your tools to lower that down before you can use your spare tire. And it sits right in the back. This is a 2012 Dodge Ram 1500. They're all the same, 2500, 1500s, or even the 3500s. All the jack and the jack tools are located under the front passenger seat. You can see a little jack, little directions here, and it says to pull here. Little markings on the cover itself. Nothing holds this in. There's a little clip pin behind it, so if you just pull it here, it'll unlatch and pull it forward. And you can see right under your front passenger seat, there's the jack and your spare tire tools right under there. So what you want to do is undo this wing nut, which I've already done. Once you pull that out, you're able to pull the whole jack out of there. And these are your spare tire tools that are actually strapped onto the jack itself. So I have the jack out of the vehicle. Again, your spare tire tools are velcroed right to the jack. So once you undo the velcro, see what's in there, what's in the bag. You're going to have a bunch of extensions to get your spare tire down. You're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 extensions, and then you have a lug nut wrench, which also is made to get your spare tire down. So this will loosen up your lug nuts, and then this side does the spare tire. Basically, these gets hooked up into it, kind of like that, so you can spin the spare tire and lower it, and that's what's included in your spare tire kit for the Dodge Rams. The way it latches in, there's actually a slot at the bottom of the jack, and you can see a little bolt, type of bolt that sticks up on the floor of the truck. And this slot that's in the jack right here, so when you put it back, you just kind of line that slot up, and once that slot's lined up, it'll push and lock in on the back, and you slide the hole over to where that lines up, and then you can actually put this wing nut back in and line up the cover and snap that back on, and that's where your spare tire and your jack sits on these Dodge Rams. Thank you for watching.